Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we are going to look at the Sciwora. So the Sciwora, it is expanded as the spinal cord. So it is nothing but the spinal cord injury. So spinal cord injury, and this W stands for the without. So spinal cord injury without the radiograph, without the radiographic abnormality. Radiographic abnormality. So this is what the Sciwora stands for. So what is it by definition? So it is defined as a spinal cord. This is defined as a spinal cord injury. So it's a SC injury, and in a patient with no visible fractures. So the patient has no visible. So there is no visible fractures or dislocation on plain radiographs or on CTs. So, or dislocation in terms of the plain radiographs as well as on the CT scans. Next, what we need to know is it is almost completely unique to children. So it is unique in terms of the children, and it is believed to occur because of the vertebral column in children is more elastic. So here they are believed to be more elastic than the spinal cord. So what they are saying is the vertebral column is more elastic than the spinal cord. The vertebral column in the children, it can undergo considerable deformation. So the vertebral column, it can undergo considerable deformation. It can undergo a considerable deformation, and this is without being disrupted. So this is without disrupted. Now the vertebral column in children, it can elongate. The vertebral column, it can also elongate. So it is possible to elongate up to 2 inches without the disruption. So it can elongate up to 2 inches. So it can elongate up to 2 inches, and this will be without the disruption. Without the disruption. So whereas the spinal cord, it gets injured with only 1/4 inch of elongation. So whereas the spinal cord, it gets injured. It gets injured with about 1/4 inch. With 1/4 inch of elongation. Now in terms of the X-ray and the CT, so the X-ray or the CT. So in terms of this, it may not show the vertebral injuries. So the vertebral injuries, it is not shown. So the vertebral injuries, it is not shown, but the MRI shows evidence of the spinal cord injury. So when you look at the MRI, the spinal cord injury, it is seen. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.